Welcome back to Driveverse.
Have you ever wondered what it feels like to drive a palace? Because the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Limousine Concept isn't just a car, it's a moving kingdom of luxury. This isn't a regular VIP ride. It's a futuristic chariot, stitched in silk, wrapped in elegance, and powered by pure innovation. From the outside, this limousine doesn't ask for attention. It commands it. Long, sleek, and beautifully sculpted, every line reflects confidence. The rich two-tone paint feels as refined as aged wine, while the signature LED lighting wraps around the body like royal jewelry. And those massive 24-inch chrome wheels, they don't just roll, they make an entrance. Step inside and the outside world simply disappears. This feels less like a car and more like a five-star private lounge on wheels. A flowing curved glass display stretches across the cabin. Diamond-stitched leather seats surround you in comfort. And ambient lighting shifts with your mood. There's even a discreet rear refrigerator. Because in a Maybach, luxury is never optional. Under the hood sits a hybrid V12 paired with electric assistance, producing around 750 horsepower. Despite its size, this limousine glides from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.9 seconds. It doesn't rush, it floats. Proof that real power never needs to shout. Its rivals include the Rolls-Royce Phantom Extended and the Bentley Mulsanne. The price starts around $320,000. But you're not paying for transportation here. You're investing in presence, status, and silence. Yes, ownership is expensive. Maintenance isn't light, insurance costs are high, and depreciation is real. But if you're considering a Maybach, you're not counting money, you're making a statement. Behind the wheel, the experience is unbelievably smooth and quiet, like floating on air with soft orchestral music playing in the background. Tight city turns aren't its strength, but this car was never built for narrow streets. It was built for grand arrivals. So here's the final thought. Supreme luxury, advanced technology, and unmatched comfort come at a price. And that price is size and cost. But if you had the chance to drive like royalty, would any of that really matter? If you enjoyed this review, subscribe to Driveverse. Because here, we don't just review cars, we experience legends.